Taking a look at Ford Motor stock here with the current price being $9.33, down 6 to 7% today on the daily chart. On right around August of 2024, we did hit a low of $9.22 before getting bought all the way back up to this mid-range, right around $11. And then again here back down at $9.34 now. Let's go ahead and zoom on into the 30-minute chart and see what we have here. So on the 30-minute chart, we did have an attempt at a bullish breakover. However, with the current price action right now, we are in a bearish crossover back down to the bottom side. Going into the hourly chart, also a bearish crossover. But there's one thing I want to note, that while we're on the bearish crossover on the daily chart as well, with a few attempts above the 200 EMA, I want to acknowledge that I think while we're below the 50 EMA, and while we're also in a bearish crossover, I think this is a potential dip opportunity, especially for those that are long-term on Ford Motors, right? Going into the weekly chart, the reason why I say that is because we are still in a bullish crossover on the weekly chart with the high of 21.21, and then again, our recent low here being 880. There is potential dip that Ford Motor does go down to 880, and then from 880 to about our current price right now, I think this is a good entry point, especially if we are looking for a potential recovery at least to $14.43. So if this is one of the major resistances on the top side, and 880 or 890 is going to be the bottom side, if we go to the midpoint between the two, let's go ahead and just average it out to the midpoint. It's right around 1150, 1160, possibly 1170. I think while we're below the 200 EMA on the weekly chart, this is a pretty good entry point if we're looking for a reversal back up towards the top side. So personally, I am looking for a minimal price target of $11 and then going into $12 as well, with the high price target of $14 there going into the future for 2025. If you are in Ford Motor stock, let us know down below in the comments. Feel free to join our Discord. We do have over 32,000 members in there, sharing due diligence as well as technical analysis. I think while this is in the closer to the 30 RSI right now, this is a pretty good entry point in my opinion. Again, our RSI is currently at 37 on the weekly chart. If we go into the daily chart, it's at 36, moving pretty close to 30. Once it's pretty close to 30, I think that's like an immediate reversal in my opinion, especially on the daily and weekly chart. So it's definitely something to keep an eye out for, getting a retest at the 200 EMA. So closer to about $11 should be tested here, I think, in the upcoming months, if not sooner, okay? Thanks for watching, and like always, if you guys enjoyed this video, let us know down in the comments. That way I can potentially make more videos on Ford Motors. Thanks for watching, guys.